Hi, if you're watching this video, you've probably taken the August 2019 Regents exam. It is August 15th when I'm recording this. The Regents is not out yet or the answer key, but this is the scale that's used to determine your grade. And I call it a scale because New York State calls it a scale. It is not a curve. A curve means that all of the scores would be curved up, but that's not the case here. Instead, the lower you get as far as a raw score, the higher your scale score is in comparison. And right at 64 out of 85 points, your scaled score is a 75. That's what you would see on your report card, and you would have answered 75% of the questions correctly. I can't speak for all of the other Regents exams, but chemistry is pretty tough when it comes to the scale, along with the fact, of course, that it's a chemistry exam, which is pretty tough. The better you do, the less you get of a scaled score in comparison. So let's take a look at that. Typical with the chemistry Regents exams, you'll notice that for the August 2019, there are two 64s again, which is a real bummer. You could have gotten a 64 and think you only were 1 point off, or you might have been 2 points off. The other thing here, to get a 65, you had to get 50 points out of 85. And when I put that in my calculator, you needed to answer 58.8, or I'm going to just round it to 59% of the questions correctly. In order to get mastery, which is 85 or higher, 74 divided by 85 is 87%. This is typical with the chemistry Regents exams, the way that it's been going over the years. Again, 264s, you needed to know 59% of the questions or answer them correctly, 59% to get a 65. And once you got into this higher range, you actually have to answer more questions correctly than what your kind of score implies. As soon as the August Regents is out, I will take a look at it and post it. I'm going to have more videos in the future with regards to physics and AP Chem. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Enjoy the rest of your summer. I hope you did well on the Regents exam.